Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to move add to cart button and variation selector above product short description in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our add to cart button and this is our variation selector. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to move add to cart button and variation selector above product short description in single product page. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to variable product and then you see variation and then you see add to cart button. Now refresh the page. Now you see variation selector and add to cart button above product description in single product page for variable product. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.